So Dad's doing a little infield diagnosing here for my cousin's husband. Up until about 10 minutes ago, this thing wasn't going in reverse. Now Dad is just trying to see what's going on. We dropped off an instruction parts manual here for this Bombi that Dad had lying around. And still located here in the paw, but this is where the Bombi is. It's back in town. So Dad's still sick here, but before we take him home so he can get some bed rest, he's just playing around with this little Bombi here. What's the main issue here, Vince?
Well, I got some steering issues. I ended up breaking a bunch of bolts on one of the steering drums.
Okay.
And we pulled it all apart, replaced a bunch of bolts, upgraded them to grade 8.
Yeah.
Bearings and seals and everything, but I'm still having issues with the steering on it. I'm thinking it's probably a fan, but I haven't had enough time behind these to realize if it's actually cooked or not. There's still lots of lining left.
Yeah.
But due to the fact that we don't know any of the previous owner's history, we don't know if that's what it is or not.
Okay.
And I know your dad's had one of these before.
Well, years ago, yeah.
Years and years ago.
So is this what you're working on in the shop today, or?
No, this is on the side here today. So I just wanted his opinion on it before I start throwing some parts at it.
Yeah. So there you go. Got the background on this. Dad's trying to help out my cousin's husband, and everything requires work. You can't just buy one of these things and tour around and not expect to do some basic maintenance or maintenance. And sounds like my cousin's husband, he's a heavy-duty mechanic, I think it is. So he's no dummy, but Dad has 50+ years of extra experience here. You might be able to help him figure it out. And let's get in on the conversation a little bit better.
Okay, now slide. Take that slide collar off. It was walking out, but that was only after I took that drum off. It wouldn't physically come out. That's the only thing I could find wrong in that whole thing. I slid it back in, and put a new clip in it, and that's all that was gone there on that.
That's the only one.
The other thing is I'll probably send the bands out to be redone anyway.
Yeah, you can
because I'm almost positive that prior to us owning it, it was probably run on oil too many times. And then like the oil that come out of it was fucking black.
I know when they first got it, and we can
Once again, everything requires maintenance. Cousin's husband's not a stupid man here. He knows what he's doing. But I guess the one thing sounds like he didn't do was touch the differential. And it was low on oil when they bought it, so it could have been run like that. Nice little piece of equipment. Probably using it for snow plowing and whatnot. But so yeah, I was probably using it for snow removal or maybe even ice fishing. But it's a nice little piece of equipment. I guess they're just having steering issues right now. And we'll let you know how this goes.